friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, we love to recycle. We love to recycle. And one of the things that has come across our path a lot, teachers at the end of the school year, you know, what do you do with your old marker? You're in the classroom, you go to color, you find a beautiful marker and somebody forgot to leave its hat on. So now it's all dried out. So here's what you can do. You could take this is red, you're gonna take your tops. Oh, I'm getting so excited, I have to stop. Okay, so I'm gonna make some brown paint today. So I take my tops off.
Because you can make paint with the dried up paint.
Yeah, we're gonna make paint. We're gonna make paint with the dried up markers by soaking them in water. So I'm gonna take the tops off. I'm gonna save those because I might wanna make a project out of them at another time. If you have a whole giant bin of them, it's kind of fun to sort them and you can do different things. But I'm just gonna show brown today. So I was thinking about painting a bear. So I'm gonna take my things like that. I have my friend water here. I'm just gonna put a little bit in. You could use an old yogurt container. You could use a container from applesauce, individual applesauce, and then you just soak your pens in there. Look
already.
It's kind of like magic. The color jumps into the water. So, yeah, and so I'm saving my lids. Okay, now, here's some paint that Miss Kate made the other day. This is red, and this is blue. And I just want you to see how beautiful it is.
And how long do we leave this?
Oh, at least, you could do it super quick, but if you want your colors to be really saturated, which means really dark and rich, you want to leave it overnight.
Oh my gosh, those are so pretty.
Okay, and now look at this blue, Miss Kate. It's pretty cool. And then
Those are nice colors.
you're giving your markers another life, which is really cool. So, okay, so that's how you do it. You could take, you know, look around if you're at a school, if you're a teacher. Okay, here's something you need to know. Our friends, the permanent markers, will not work with this. I believe they're alcohol based and it won't work. The color won't jump. Also, our friends, the markers, dry erase markers, will not work. Don't even do it. It's just gonna be a big fat mess. So there you go. That is how you make liquid watercolor out of old markers.
Old watercolor markers,
Yeah,
right?
old watercolor markers,
Yes.
watercolors. Okay, and then when you're done, you can just go like that and just toss them away. It might be a little bit messy, but if you soak it for a long time, it almost turns white. It's kind of cool. So.
Okay, and then can we put lids on these at the end too?
Oh yes, you can put lids on it. I had my lid. Oh, hang on. I'm done my project for the day. I get my lid and then I put my lid on and I could save it.
Oh my gosh.
I would suggest perhaps if you're gonna save it for like more than a week, you put it in your fridge because we didn't do that once and we had like bugs flying around you don't really want bugs flying around your paint. So I think you're good for longer than a week. Put it in the fridge. If you're just gonna use it right away, I think you're okay.
All
Yeah,
right.
it was good.
Thanks, Miss Hazel.
All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.